Hello, welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. Once again, today I'll be showing you how to go about Safepal airdrops. And on Safepal airdrops, we all know what Safepal is. And for those that don't know what Safepal is a crypto wallet, more like a DeFi wallet, where you can buy, where you can trade assets as well, just like your Trust wallet. It's also, you can trade different type of assets on Safepal as well. And to Safepal always have its own special airdrop for just Safepal users only. More like SFP holders or Safepal hardware wallet owners. So now I'll be showing you how to go about their airdrop. You can participate in their airdrop in two different ways. If you have hardware wallet, you don't need to have SFP in the hardware wallet for you to participate. You having hardware wallet alone is like a direct ticket for you to qualify for their airdrops. But if you don't have the hardware wallet, you need to have a minimum of, it used to be 300 SFP, but at some point, some airdrops, even if you have just 100, you can participate. 100 is like the requirements in some airdrops. Some are 300. So I'm not very sure, because I mostly use, I just use hardware wallet. I prefer to do that because I don't need to keep SFP. Though SFP is a project you can actually, it's a very good project, but it's just that, sometimes you might need money for something, then you might dump it, something like that, before you buy back. Maybe at the time airdrop came up, you don't really have the SFP in your wallet. So you having hardware, automatically it means yes, you can like run the airdrop even without having any SFP at the moment. So that's that for that. That's the difference between using your web wallet and hardware wallet. And as I've said earlier, hardware wallet is an offline wallet where you can actually store assets with to avoid theft and more like hacking from anyone or something, because it's something that you do offline. Before you can access this wallet, you must have access to the hardware itself. That's the physical hardware wallet itself, for you to even authorize any transaction you want to carry out on that particular wallet, even though it's connected to your web wallet as well at the same time. So now I'll be showing you how the airdrops look like. Currently there's one airdrop that is going on the Safepal wallet, the Safepal. So I'll be showing you what it's about. Always check your Safepal every day if you have the hardware. Even if you don't have the hardware, if you have the, what is it called, if you have the SFP in your wallet, you can always check every day. This is how my SFP wallet, Safepal wallet, looks like. So what you need to do is click here, this box, 4 boxes here, click on it. You see this sign, this gift box sign, just click on it. It will show you all the available airdrops. Currently there is one airdrop that is available, but I couldn't register. You can see the 2 airdrops that are active, the ones with colors, the ongoing events. So this one is actually coming soon. It will be available in the next 8 hours 42 minutes and 57 seconds or thereabouts. Then the current one, which is ongoing, is this first one, Angel Protocol. So I need to participate in the Angel Protocol now. So that's what I will be using as for this purpose of this tutorial. So I'll open this now for you to see how it goes. So I don't need SFP in my wallet because I'm using my hardware wallet. The wallet that is connected to this particular airdrop I'm running right now is my hardware wallet, because it carries the same phrase. So here now I'll need to go scroll down. You can see there's a quiz you need to take. There is whitelist, then there is Twitter rewards. So let me show you quiz. This is the quiz. We have the quiz here. You need to take the quiz first. So you see it says for using DApp or token on Terra chain, you need to add Luna coin. I've not added Luna coin on my hardware wallet before now. So now, and I cannot access it. If I and to access it now, I must connect my Safepal wallet. So now what do I need to do? I need to like click on add. Once I click on add, I'll now need to scan this barcode with my hardware wallet. So let me show you how my hardware wallet looks like. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is my hardware wallet. I know it looks somehow blurry, but that is how it looks like. So you can see this is scan on it, scan. So this particular scan you see now, I will use it to scan this barcode on my Safepal wallet. I'll click on the scan here, then I'll scan the barcode. Sorry, I'm going to scan now. I'm scanning. Then after scanning, it will ask you to put your password, which I'll be putting. Yeah. So I've done that. It's currently it's scanning. It's scanning. It's here to pick. It's here to pick. Still working. Still searching. It's trying to pick. So I'll still scan with my phone as well. Why is it blurry? It has picked the first one. You can see it's 2-page dancing. So now it has gone through. So you can see the questions I need to answer right now. These are the questions I need to answer. So once in my group, I have a group where I actually have these answers to the questions. I have my friend who has done is I could not really go through all the questions. So now I'll just need to go through the questions. That's why it's good. Information is power. When you have people that actually do inform you about things to go about and some other things like that, so it will really go a long way to help you out. So that's the thing, that's the spirit here. So now I'll be answering the questions. They said, how does, because I always get information, that's how, because I could not really check through my wallet today. I didn't even know there was AIRDROP. So it was one of my friends that actually informed me that this thing is currently up. So which is why I had to rush and also participate, because that's how I would have just missed it. Even though it's not as if it's always very much, but no matter how small it is, something free is still free. It's free. So now I'll be working on the question. The first question goes like, how does Angel Protocol fund perpetual donations? How does I'm trying to get the questions together so that I can actually answer. The answer is actually all of the above. Then they said, how does charitable giving mitigate tax burdens? I know most of you will be wondering, what is this guy doing? Say this and that he didn't even read the question and he's just answering the question. They don't. The truth is, I won't want to be like. I don't want you to be like me, though. You need to read through the questions. Then, when you read through the questions, you can now answer whatever question, whatever answer comes. So the second answer is this: the Angel Protocol LFG policy allows. I want you to see how everything goes, so that you see when you pass what you get, and if you fail what you get. But I don't want any reason that will make me to actually fail the question. So I always prefer to pass it all, because if you fail, the truth is, if you fail and you think I'll be guru, I beg my runner myself, my brother, you will not qualify. That's the truth. There is no stubborn head in this thing. Just make sure you get the right answer correctly. So the best thing is to get it correctly, so that you can actually qualify and get the airdrop, because nobody wants to do the stress that you end up not getting anything in return. It doesn't make sense. So I'm sorry the video is taking too long. I'm just trying to get the answers. I don't want to do something that will end up failing and it will now be like, at least you watching this video as well, you can use this as a way of actually actually getting using it to run your own as well. I just hope while you are watching this video it's not too late though. I hope it's not too late. I'm still yet to find the answer. Okay, this is what I'll do. The issue is the what do I call it, the recorder I'm using, it doesn't support pause. So once I pause, automatically I'm stopping the video. So what I will now do is I will need to pause it. When I'm done, I'll just show you guys what's next to do after answering the question, since I could not really find the solution to this. Yeah, I could not find solution to this. Coming. So as you can see, I was able to finally get. I noticed the answers I was getting, most of them were not correct. So I had to just go and check it myself. That was why I paused the video. Now I was able to submit, and it showed me, congratulations, this wallet has completed its tasks, because I actually passed it everything and I was able to submit. After submitting, now it will bring me to this page. After bringing me to this page, I need to cancel, then go back to the these are the necessary tasks I need to take. I've done the quiz. Then the next thing is to get oh my goodness, I came late. Oh, so sorry, since the number of participants has reached, the entry is now closed. Actually came very late. So unfortunately I missed. So unfortunate. But at least you guys will see how Safepal airdrop is being run. That is the most important thing here. So the next airdrop that is coming on, you can see coming soon here. And the funniest part is the number of people they need here is actually 152,585, and here is just 8,654. So you can imagine what will happen the next one. So if you didn't come early, that's OYO or yo, and now it's remained 8 hours 26 minutes. That's like since it's 8 hours, right now the time is 6:33. Let's say 6 plus 8, that's sorry, what am I saying? Yeah, it's 6 plus 8, so that's actually 14. That makes it like 2, should I say 2 a.m. I can't take that. I want to rest, so I won't be able to wait for this particular airdrop, so I won't be participating. But at least the aim is to show you guys how to go about participating in the airdrop. If I should click on this now, the one that is coming soon, you can see it's showing this is what you'll be getting. This is the available tokens they'll be sharing. Only the first 5,000 users who participate. Wow, it's even just 5,000 users that they'll be giving. Just 5,000 users who participate can win. And one good thing about Safepal airdrop is you get your airdrops most times you get it instantly. Immediately you participate and you run everything, within few minutes or hours you get your airdrop in your wallet. You don't need to wait for days or something. No, you get it immediately. Though it might not be as big as you might be thinking, but at least you get it in. It's sure, as long as you qualify, it's sure. Because everything you see in that my wallet, I have them, all of them are airdrops, though most of them are dumped. So that's why the wallet is so looking so bad. So that's that for that. So I hope you guys understand. If there's any question you have to ask, don't hesitate to do that in the comment section. And if you think you have a hardware wallet, or you are interested in Safepal, you can chat me up, and I can like add you up in a group where you can be getting Safepal updates, or maybe I can actually be sending it to you directly anytime I have Safepal updates. So I'll send you that. So just chat me, just drop message for me in the comment section. Yeah. So thank you for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to do that right now. And if you should also try and to like the video, share with your friends and family, and just let's hit these 1000 subscribers, please guys. We are still at 600 plus. Please, thank you very much. Bye, see you next time. Okay, sorry, I remember something. I'll be dropping a video on how to do some tricks on how to just change the looks of your Binance to make it look cool. I'll be dropping that right away. Thank you, take care guys.